Good morning guys, from a beautiful sunny day in Munich. I'm on King's Square or Königsplatz. It's the 23rd of June 2020 and we're just emerging and coming out of this COVID situation which we've been locked under for the last three and a half months. I got some great news last week in terms of the fact that the Dachau concentration camp memorial site is visitable again by groups. So with a maximum of 15 people you can now visit Dachau. So I'm going to be running my tours from the 28th, which is this coming Sunday, over to Dachau. If you do book the tour, please be sure to bring a mask along with you so that you can use it on public transportation and also inside buildings over at Dachau. Don't worry, once you arrive for the tour, I'll brief you on everything that's expected and all the rules that have to be applied so that you can stay safe and not impinge on any of those rules while you're here. There's a great window of opportunity, guys, because normally 75% of my guests that come on the tour come from the US. Obviously we don't have flights coming in at the moment, so what we're hoping is that there's going to be an increase of European visits over to the Dachau Memorial. That means that groups will be reasonably small to start with. So if you do book a tour, there is a high chance it'll almost be like doing a private tour, which is absolutely fantastic. So visit my website at evansguide.net. You can see all the tours that we've got there, and hopefully things won't change. Things will keep going on an upward trend and we don't get a second wave of the virus. We don't want that, and hopefully I'll see you on the tours.